Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely great. For today's video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find Olymp trade promo codes in 2025. So this is olymptrade.com website, and from the logo you already know that they have changed their branding and their logo. So now in order to find the new working promo codes for Olymp Trade, you just have to simply type Olymp Trade promo codes 2025, and then you just have to scroll down a bit and open the websites in a new tab in which you are interested. Like this one is giving 100% Olymp Trade promo code, so let's just click on it in order to open it in a new window. The other one is also claiming the same, so let's just find out what they are actually offering. So you just have to hop onto the websites one by one, and here you just have to simply click on the promo code in which you are interested. For example, let's say I'm interested in this one in which I can receive 100% bonus with olymptrade.com promo code. So you need to just click on it and it will redirect you on this page where you just have to copy this code from here and read the instructions carefully. You need to shop with the popular deals at olymptrade.com now. Our customer love it, so will you, and you can get 100% bonus. So after reading the requirements, you just have to come to olymptrade.com website and sign in into your account. Now at the time of the checkout, you just have to simply use this promo code and you will get 100% bonus, or the bonus that you have chosen. Now similar is the case with the other website like this one, that is 1001promocodes.com. so you can even try different promo codes from this websites as well, and you from this as well. So this is how you can basically find 100% working promo codes for olymptrade.com in 2025. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.